afternoon, everyone. The meeting will now come to order. The time is 1:10. As the chairperson, I welcome every one of you to this session. The secretary will now do the roll call. Please say aye when your name is called.
Honorable Babo, aye. Honorable Leo, aye. Honorable Managay, aye. Honorable Conti, aye. And Honorable Kirby,
Aye.
all members are present. Thank you.
Thank you, Ms. Secretary. A quorum is present, so we may now proceed to the meeting. The agenda for today's meeting is to discuss and finalize plans for the upcoming Pulsar Days 2025. Does anyone have any objections or amendments to the agenda? Hearing none, the agenda is approved as presented. The floor is now open for the motions regarding the planning for Pulsar Days 2025. Does anyone wish to make a motion?
I move that the theme for Pulsar Days 2025 be Fostering Unity and Diversity, Political Science as a Bridge to Understanding.
I second the motion.
The motion has been moved and seconded. The floor is now open for discussion on the proposed theme.
This theme emphasizes the importance of diversity in political science, showcasing how our field promotes inclusivity and dialogue despite differences.
I support the theme because it aligns with our goal to unite the student and the community through meaningful events.
I think the theme is strong, but could we add a local element to it, such as focusing on fostering unity and consolation?
Would you like to propose an amendment to the motion?
Yes, I move to amend the motion to fostering unity and diversity, political science, a bridge to understanding and consolation.
I second the amendment.
The amendment has been moved and seconded. All in favor, please say aye.
Aye.
All opposed, say no. Hearing none, the amendment is carried and the motion now reads as fostering unity and diversity, political science as a bridge to understanding and consolation. Any further discussion? If none, we will now vote on the amended motion. Once again, all in favor, say aye.
Aye.
All opposed, say no. Hearing none, the motion is carried and the theme for Pulsar Days 2025 is approved. We will now proceed to the next item, discussing the activities for Pulsar Days 2025. Does anyone wish to make a motion?
I move the theme to a quiz bowl, a debate competition, and a cultural showcase celebrating consolation heritage.
I second the motion.
Motion has been moved and seconded. The floor is open for discussion.
The quiz bowl and debate competition are essential academic events, and the cultural showcase aligns perfectly with our theme.
I suggest that we also include the community outreach programs such as seminar on civic engagement to give the event more impact.
Would you like to propose an amendment to the motion to include community outreach program?
Yes, I move to amend the motion to include the seminar on civic engagement as part of the line.
I second the amendment.
The amendment has been moved and seconded. All in favor say aye.
Aye.
All opposed say no. The amendment is carried. Any further discussion to the amended motion? If none, we will now proceed to the voting on the amended motion to include a quiz bowl, a debate competition, a cultural showcase, and a seminar on civic engagement. All in favor say aye.
Aye.
All opposed say no. The motion is carried and these activities will be included in the Pulsar Days 2025. We now move to the budget discussion. Does anyone wish to make a motion on how we allocate our funds for the event?
I move that we allocate the budget as follows: 40% for venue and logistics, 30% for prize and awards, 20% for materials, and 10% for contingencies.
I second the motion.
So the motion has been moved and seconded. Any discussion?
I suggest increasing the budget for the cultural showcase to 25% as it might require additional resources for costumes or performances.
So, would you like to propose an amendment to reflect these changes?
Yes, I move to amend the motion to allocate 40% for the venue and logistics, 30% for prizes and awards, 25% for the cultural showcase, and 5% for contingencies. I second the amendment.
The amendment has been moved and seconded. All in favor to the amendment, please say aye.
Aye.
All opposed, say no. The amendment is carried. Any further discussion? If none, we will now vote on the amended motion. Once again, all in favor, say aye.
Aye.
All opposed, say no. No opposition, so the motion is carried and the budget allocations are approved. Before we adjourn, does anyone have any further business that you wish to discuss? If there is no further business, then I move to adjourn this meeting.
I second the motion.
All in favor of adjourning, say aye.
Aye.
All opposed, say no. Hearing no opposition, the motion is now carried and the meeting is adjourned at exactly 2:30 in the afternoon. Thank you everyone for attending this session and have a good day.
4, 3, 2, and go. Oh. 2 and 4, 3, 2, and
Good afternoon everyone. The meeting will now come to order. The time is 12:30. As the chairperson, I welcome everyone here to this session. The secretary will now do the roll call.
Inaw ka na. Okay. Please say aye when your name is called. Okay. Tingnan ko po.
I second the motion.
Man yang kali bisa olip ramro dikin zaman era mulai sasna lagu
15 Political Science, showcasing how our field promotes inclusivity and dialogue